Welcome back to my channel, where we break down the science behind the glow. Today, we're unlocking the secret to radiant, youthful skin with one of the most loved ingredients in the skincare world, glycolic acid. Why is this tiny molecule such a superstar? What's happening beneath the surface of your skin when you use it? And most importantly, how can you use it to maximize the glow without the irritation? Don't worry, we're diving deep into the science, but I promise, it'll be the fun kind of chemistry that makes you fall in love with skincare. Let's get started. What exactly is glycolic acid? Alright, let's get nerdy for a second. Glycolic acid's chemical formula is C2H4O3. Fancy, right? But let me break it down. Glycolic acid belongs to the alpha-hydroxy acid family, or AHAs for short. What makes it unique is that it's the smallest molecule in the group. Why does that matter? Because its tiny size allows it to penetrate your skin more deeply and efficiently than its AHA cousins like lactic acid or mandelic acid. So, small but mighty? Check. Chemically speaking, glycolic acid has two tricks up its sleeve. First, it's a carboxylic acid, which means it has acidic properties that help it exfoliate your skin. Second, it features a hydroxyl group, making it water-loving or hydrophilic. This dual nature makes glycolic acid a skincare double threat. It exfoliates like a pro while also attracting water to keep your skin hydrated. It's like the overachiever of the skincare world. So, when you see glycolic acid in cleansers, toners, serums, or peels, you know it's there to deliver smoother skin, an even tone, and a whole lot of glow. How does glycolic acid work? Now that we know what glycolic acid is, let's talk about how it works its magic on your skin. And let me tell you, this little molecule is doing a lot. 1. Exfoliation magic. Picture this. Your skin cells are like bricks, held together by a protein glue called desmosomes. Over time, these bricks pile up, creating a dull, uneven layer of dead skin. Enter glycolic acid. It's like a wrecking ball for the desmosomes, breaking apart the calcium bonds that hold those dead cells together. The result? Fresh, radiant skin that's just waiting to be revealed. 2. Low pH equals big results. Glycolic acid works best in a pH range of 3 to 4. At this acidic level, it not only exfoliates effectively, but also creates an environment that's hostile to acne-causing bacteria. Pretty cool, right? But here's the catch. If your skin is sensitive, a low pH can sometimes cause irritation. So, start slow and see how your skin reacts. 3. Hydration hero. Exfoliation often gets a bad rap for being drying, but not with glycolic acid. Thanks to its hydroxyl group, it acts like a water magnet, pulling moisture into your skin while it exfoliates. So, you get the glow without the dryness. Win-win. 4. Collagen booster. Here's where it gets really exciting. Glycolic acid stimulates fibroblasts, which are your skin's collagen factories, to produce more collagen and hyaluronic acid. Translation? Plumper, firmer skin with fewer wrinkles and scars. It's like giving your skin a mini workout. 5. Brightening wizardry. Got dark spots, uneven tone, or post-acne marks? Glycolic acid is here to save the day. It clears away pigmented dead skin cells and even works alongside ingredients called tyrosinase inhibitors to prevent new dark spots from forming. Talk about a multitasking genius. How to use glycolic acid like a pro. Alright, so you're ready to hop on the glycolic acid train. But how do you use it without irritating your skin? Here's the cheat sheet. Low-dose daily products. If you're a newbie or have dry or sensitive skin, start with low-dose products like cleansers or toners containing 1 to 10% glycolic acid. These gently exfoliate while keeping your skin hydrated. Moderate strength serums. Once your skin adjusts, you can graduate to serums with 10 to 30% glycolic acid. These are great for tackling wrinkles, uneven tone, and mild acne scars. Just be sure to patch test first. High-powered peels. Now, if you're dealing with severe hyperpigmentation or deep wrinkles, high-concentration peels with 30 to 70% glycolic acid can deliver dramatic results. But these should only be done under professional supervision. No DIY experiments here. Is glycolic acid right for you? Glycolic acid is a fantastic ingredient, but it's not for everyone. Here's the lowdown. Use it if you have dry skin. It hydrates and exfoliates at the same time, which is a rare combo. It's also a great choice for mature skin, thanks to its collagen-boosting properties. And if you're dealing with hyperpigmentation, dullness, or mild acne, glycolic acid can be a game changer. But skip it if you have rosacea or super sensitive skin. It's just too harsh. And if you have oily, acne-prone skin with clogged pores, salicylic acid might be a better fit for you. What not to mix with glycolic acid? Before you start layering your products, here's what you shouldn't mix with glycolic acid. 1. Retinoids. Both glycolic acid and retinoids promote cell turnover, so using them together can lead to overexfoliation, causing redness, dryness, and irritation. Plus, retinoids can destabilize in an acidic environment. 2. Other acids. Mixing glycolic acid with salicylic or lactic acid. That's a recipe for irritation. Too much of a good thing can damage your skin barrier. Some commercial products are formulated in a way that they contain a mixture of acids. Trust these products as they are deeply analyzed and tested. 3. Benzoyl peroxide. This acne-fighting ingredient can oxidize in acidic environments, causing excessive dryness when paired with glycolic acid. 4. Essential oils. Exfoliated skin is more permeable, which means volatile compounds in essential oils can cause irritation. Skip the lavender oil with your glycolic acid. 5. Scrubs or brushes. No need to double exfoliate. Combining glycolic acid with physical exfoliants can lead to micro tears and irritation. Ingredients that love glycolic acid. Now, let's talk about what you should pair with glycolic acid for flawless results. 1. Hyaluronic acid. Locks in moisture and keeps your skin hydrated and plump. 2. Ceramides. Strengthen your skin barrier, preventing irritation and water loss. 3. Niacinamide. Soothes redness and adds an extra hydration boost. 4. Antioxidants such as vitamin C or E protect your newly exfoliated skin from free radicals and environmental damage. 5. Sunscreen. This one's a must. Glycolic acid makes your skin more sun-sensitive, so never skip SPF 30 or higher. So, there you have it, the chemistry of glycolic acid explained. It's tiny, it's mighty, and it's a multitasking genius that can transform your skin. But remember, balance is everything. Start slow, pair it wisely, and listen to your skin. Are you ready to give glycolic acid a try? Or do you already have a favorite product? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Until next time, stay curious, stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next video.